Here I'm gonna working on this Bose Soundlink speaker, and the symptoms is when you remove the USB cable, the unit's not turning on, and also it has no sound. Even if the USB cable is attached and you turn the power on, there is no sound. So we need to see inside what is the problem. We need to remove these screws. This one is star screw, 3 pieces screws on the bottom face. Okay, 3 pieces screws are out. Remove gently the bottom cap and push this forward in order to see the screws on the cover, top cover. You need to remove the 4 screws here, the same type of screws, star screw. After the 4 screws out, you need to remove this cap, and you see the main board. This is the main board of the speaker, and it has 3 pieces screws, the same type, star screw. We need to remove these 3 screws in order to take out the board, and after that remove gently the main board because it has a flexible cable attached on it. And then remove the rubber. Actually guys, I am checking the connector on this part because actually this is the common problem for this model, because if this unit is dropped, and as you can see the connector and the board misaligned and possibly it was dropped, and the impact is so high, so the board is misaligned. As you can see, the plastic get damaged. Check the bolts. If there is bolts still on the pins, make sure that you have to confirm that it has no bolts before doing the work on this part, because if there is a bolts on it, it will create another problem. If there is still bolts, no, you need to remove the battery before start doing the work. Now I'm checking the pins and it's really loose. It's moving. I am applying here solder paste. This solder paste is low temperature solder paste. These pins are so small and it's really difficult to solder this part. And I only have available solder tip, still big. I'm trying to look a good tip. Guys, if you are having a problem, like for example on this model there is blinking red, meaning it has fault, whether the battery or the board. If you encounter like blinking red, I would suggest to bring this to the authorized Bose service center, because you cannot solve problem for this type of issue, the blinking red, and the only solution is to bring it to the service center, because they have special tools that can fix the problem to avoid also any damage to the unit. Now let us test, and before, when I unplug the USB cable, it's not turning on.
Battery low.
Now the sounds here,
Battery low.
and
Please
yes,
start
still
now.
have power. Wow. Okay
Battery
guys, thank
low.
you so much
Please start
for
now.
watching, and hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless.